Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.tv. I am going to do an unboxing. It's not an unboxing. I'm going to do a reveal or a review of this that I picked up while I was refreshing 6 months ago, while I was in the refreshing, restoring state and feeling so much more, alive and taking some time out, much needed. I picked this up. There was many pickups in this time, and this was one of the first ones because of my gorgeous friend on here, Drea. If you do not follow her, I will link her channel below. She's absolutely gorgeous. I have been in love with Drea forever. She just pushed me over the edge, and I don't know, I have some interest in things new from the boutique and other things I couldn't care less. It's really strange, my HERMES journey. It goes on and off really quite a lot, and this one was from Fashion Pile. So let's go ahead and show you. It is so deceiving, like absolutely deceiving. Here is my iPhone, just Pro, regular size, not Max. This is the tiniest box. You think, oh my god, there's a bag in here, but lo and behold, there is. So there is your Fashion Pile tag. Ooh, there's your Fashion Pile proof of tag once you cut it off, and here is the little dust bag. It came with dust bag and tissue paper and dust bag for the strap for this bag. So let's go ahead and show you that. The strap is actually inside the bag right now, but this is its dust bag for it. And ooh, what I grabbed from Fashion Pile is the amazing EVELYNE TPM. I had this bag correct in the PM size in exactly these specs. So this is the black or noir EVELYNE TPM or 16, and it is in clemence leather, so really quite soft and pliable, very malleable, and it was in the PM size as well. However, the PM size is far bigger, far bigger. It's a real satchel kind of size. If you have, I'm trying to think of what it was comparable to. When I had my Odeon from Louis Vuitton, when that big sort of satchel size, it's the same size as that. It's really far bigger than this. There kind of should be another size in between. This is really small, but carries all the same features as the PM size. So this originally, which I'm sure you've heard many times, is the grooming bag. So to keep all of the horse's grooming needs inside. Therefore, it has this perforated ventilation of the H, the HERMES H on the back, and here is the actual clasp, sorry, the little leather piece snap closures connection on the back. This is the front, which I'm sure you've heard again. The snap closure is covered in the clemence leather, which is really nice. It's not, it's not too in your face with gold hardware, and then the snap closure comes off like so. I usually just leave mine up and in the bag like that, so it's open all the time. Back on the back side of it, even though most of us, I could say, but speaking for myself, I leave the H on the outside. I think it's absolutely beautiful. There you have your stamp, so HERMES Paris made in France, and then the interior. Oh, wait, I've gone, that's a Jerusha error. I've gone and put the strap in a clochette bag for probably one of my other bags, maybe my Kelly. Whoops, that was a mistake. It's meant to be in this inside. This is its webbing strap or canvas strap, depending on how it's told to you, but I would call it webbing, so fabric in other words. This is what some people really don't like about this bag, is that you get this beautiful clemence, but then you get a webbing strap. and it instantly makes it far more casual, which it really does. The PM, its webbing strap, same, the fabric strap was adjustable, so it had two square toggles here in gold, and you could adjust it like a sliding belt. This does not. It is one size fits all, and that is it. The strap features two beautiful gold, shiny gold, quintessential Hermes clasps there, which you can see. You have again the Hermes Paris made in France, and they just clip on. They even have the details of the H and Paris there on the inside, and they just clip on like so. Can I do this one-handed? Let's see. And they oh, skill, Jerusha. Skill. And they swizzle completely. They have full 360 turn, which is so nice for not getting twisted when you're wearing it. And there is the drop. I shall get on my knee and show you. But that is it with the strap on. So yes, again, some people find it far too casual that this is a woven fabric. It is not leather. I think that is why the price tag is where it is at for this size. The PM cost me on the website, which was new, I can't really remember the price tag. I want to say 6 something, but you can get this Australian, which is 0.5 of the US dollar and pretty much same as euro. But you can get this off the website if you can pick one up for, I think it's maybe 3.7 or something on the site for Australian. So that means 2.6 US plus tax. So you guys have plus tax, we have included. So that, you know, for Hermes, that is quite, it comes in at the lower end of their bags. So that is why I think it adds to the cost, because it is this fabric strap as opposed to a full leather strap. Let's just quickly show you what fits inside of it for a comparison. I am carrying my Chanel 19, which is just an absolute staple in my collection for Chanel. This, I know it's a love or hate bag. We can go over that in another video, but I am currently carrying this. You can see here I have a bag insert, but we will grab what I know I would have to get. So this is my Hermes Calvi Duo. I would need my 4 key, definitely. I would need my car key, and I have my mini pochette, but I would decant that. I would take out what I needed from it, because I know that happily it would chew up a lot of the space in here. So there we go. That shows you nicely how small this bag actually is. So I would take out what I needed from this, and usually my Dual Addict lip glow is usually inside that. I carry this everywhere with me. I was never like always like, oh, you need a lip gloss. I always thought it was overrated, but that is my go-to, totally. So here's the Calvi. Here inside, here is my 4 key. Inside, I'll sort of stack them next to each other. My car key always has my luggage tag from Louis Vuitton. I take it off in, you know, nano bags, because obviously smarter thing to do. And then I'll need my phone, definitely, or it can be in my hand, but I will need it. Let's throw my Dior in anyway. And then yeah, so that is it. That's actually, if I was to trade out right this second and go, you know, to do groceries or whatnot, I would just literally walk out the door like that. So that is it with the items that you just saw me put in. Let me get on my knees and show you the drop on me. Now I am tall. I want to say 5, I don't even know what that is, 5'7", 5'8", and yeah, that is the drop on me. So I would say waist, hip, waist. If you are petite, this will be a lot longer on you. it is the perfect height if you're, you know, sort of 5'7" and up. It hits you nicely. I'm gonna say it is a long drop. So I'm sure there's definitely different things that you could probably find, you know, on Amazon or links or things like that that you could shorten. I'm not quite sure. I don't have a hack on how you do that. But yes, I just wanted to show you that this was a little something that I picked up in my hiatus, shall we say, and it is gorgeous. Total go-to if you're, you know, you run errands, you're in the city, you're on your, you know, you're on your go all the time, mums, working mums. This is just a go-to bag for me, and I'm really glad I found it on Fashion File. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. Take care. Peace.